How to fix KB5050188 fails to install in Windows 10. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Repair corrupted system files. As previously mentioned, corrupted system files can be at fault for preventing Windows updates to install successfully. Once this command is executed, you should check Windows image files. Use the following commands. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, fix 2. Perform check disk. This method will help you to check whether your HDD/SSD has any bad sectors. Restart your system. Wait until the scan is finished. You can find the results in the event viewer. Fix 3. Reset Windows Update components. Bugged cache files in software distribution folder might be causing all the update issues. To address this, follow these steps. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.